Welcome to our exploration of Matthew chapters 13 to 16, where we unravel some of Jesus' most profound teachings and transformative moments. Dive in as these chapters are packed with parables, profound insights, and pivotal events. Chapter 13 opens with Jesus by the sea, surrounded by eager listeners. Here, he shares the parable of the sower, which reveals how varied the human reception of his teachings can be.
Some hearts are like rocky ground, while others are fertile, ready to grow. In verse 23, Jesus says, "But the seed falling on good soil refers to someone who hears the word and understands it." This underscores our capacity to truly understand and live his word. Then we encounter the parable of the weeds, highlighting the coexistence of good and evil until the end of the age. It's a powerful reminder of patience and eventual justice. As we move into chapter 14, drama intensifies. John the Baptist, a pivotal figure, meets a grim fate, beheaded by Herod. Jesus continues to show compassion and performs the miracle of feeding the 5,000. With just 5 loaves and 2 fish, he satisfies the hunger of the masses, showcasing the power of faith and divine abundance. Later, Jesus walks on water, reaffirming his divine nature to the disciples. When Peter steps out in faith but doubts, Jesus saves him, saying in verse 31, "You of little faith, why did you doubt?"
Chapter 15 brings challenges from the Pharisees as they question Jesus' disregard for man-made traditions. Jesus emphasizes inner purity over external rituals, stating in verse 11, "What goes into someone's mouth does not defile them, but what comes out of their mouth." It's a call to focus on purity of heart. Finally, in chapter 16, Jesus questions his disciples about his identity. Peter boldly proclaims, "You are the Messiah, the Son of the living God," in verse 16. This declaration becomes the cornerstone of Christian faith.
This chapter is one of revelation as Jesus predicts his suffering and resurrection, preparing his followers for the path ahead. These chapters not only reveal Jesus' teachings, but also challenge us to examine our faith, understanding, and actions. Stay curious, stay engaged, and keep exploring the depths of these timeless words.